conquer winter's wrath. The dream pair's Zaylee Snow Boots that save the day. Every winter, it's the same story. Cold toes, slippery sidewalks, and boots that just can't cut it. You want to stay warm and dry, but bulky footwear cramps your style, and flimsy ones leave you sliding on ice. Do you have to sacrifice comfort or fashion to survive winter? Enter the dream pair's Zaylee Snow Boots, a game-changing solution to all your cold weather struggles. With their blend of chic design and winter-ready features, these boots promise to transform the way you take on snow and slush. Ready to find out how? Say goodbye to freezing feet. The Zaylee Snow Boots are lined with luxurious faux fur to keep the chill at bay. Unlike ordinary boots that fail to retain heat, these provide a cocoon of warmth even in frigid temperatures. Their lace-up closure ensures a secure fit, sealing out icy drafts while providing tailored comfort. Whether you're trekking through snowy streets or just running errands, these boots are designed to make winter feel like a breeze. Stylish yet functional, the Zaylee turns frostbitten toes into a thing of the past. Rain, snow, and slush are no match for the Zaylee's water-resistant faux leather upper. Designed to repel moisture and keep your feet dry, these boots perform where others fail. No more soggy socks or discomfort during winter walks, just reliable protection in a sleek, stylish package. While other boots sacrifice aesthetics for function, the Zaylee masters both. Their splash-proof construction ensures you can brave puddles and snowbanks with confidence. Why settle for less when you can enjoy dryness without compromising on fashion? Navigating winter's slippery challenges has never been easier. The Zaylee Snow Boots feature a textured thermoplastic elastomer sole that provides superior grip on icy and uneven surfaces. From bustling sidewalks to snow-dusted trails, these boots ensure you stay steady on your feet. The wedge heel adds a subtle boost without compromising stability, while the shock-absorbing platform keeps you comfortable for hours. With the Zaylee, every step feels secure, stylish, and stress-free, letting you focus on enjoying the season instead of worrying about slips and spills. Finally, a winter boot that checks all the boxes. The Zaylee chic design pairs effortlessly with any outfit, offering endless versatility for everyday wear. Lightweight yet durable, they're built to withstand the harshest conditions while keeping you comfortable and looking fabulous. Affordable and made with quality materials, these boots deliver exceptional value that lasts season after season. No more choosing between practicality and style, the Zaylee Snow Boots let you have it all. Embrace the cold in confidence and turn winter into your favorite season. Ready to transform your winter wardrobe? The Zaylee Boots await.